Hey, organic gardeners! Welcome back to the Organic Gardener's Lab. Today, we're talking about one of nature's most incredible soil amendments, often called black gold, for your garden. Worm castings transform kitchen waste into premium organic nutrients for your plants. Simply put, worm castings are worm poop. More specifically, they are the nutrient-rich excrement of composting worms like red wigglers. They are a highly concentrated, biologically active plant food packed with beneficial bacteria and fungi. Often called black gold, it's the most valuable soil amendment for any organic gardener. Worm castings are a true superfood for your plants. They provide essential nutrients in a slow-release form that's immediately available. They improve soil structure, aeration, and water retention, while containing natural growth hormones that stimulate vigorous root development. Plus, their high microbial diversity helps suppress plant diseases and deter pests. Setting up your worm bin is easy. Use opaque plastic bins to keep light out, ensuring one has drainage holes. Fill it with 6 to 8 inches of moist, shredded newspaper or cardboard for bedding. Keep the bedding like a wrung-out sponge, damp but not soaking. Place your bin in a shaded, moderate area between 55 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Meet your workers, red wigglers or Icenia fetida. They are the gold standard for vermicomposting, thriving in high-density bin environments. These efficient eaters process organic waste much faster than common garden earthworms, and your population will naturally double every few months as long as they have enough food and space. Feeding your worms is simple. Their yes list includes fruit and veggie scraps like apple cores and banana peels, which provide moisture and sugars. They also love coffee grounds and tea bags for nitrogen and texture. Don't forget paper products like shredded egg cartons and brown bags for carbon. Remember to chop food small for faster processing. To keep your worms safe, avoid meat and dairy, which attract pests and cause odors. Stay away from oily foods that can interfere with their breathing, and limit citrus to avoid making the bin too acidic. Also, skip spicy foods like onions and garlic, as they can irritate the worm's sensitive skin. Keeping them healthy means better castings. Feed correctly by always burying food scraps under the bedding to prevent fruit flies. Rotate feeding sections each time to encourage worms to move throughout the bin. Don't overfeed, only add more once the previous batch is mostly gone. Start slow with small amounts to let your worms acclimate to their new home. Harvesting your black gold takes about 2 to 3 months. You can use the migration method by moving finished compost to one side so worms move to new food. Or try the light method, scraping off top layers as worms burrow away from light. The result is dark, crumbly, earthy-smelling castings ready to supercharge your garden. Use your castings as a soil amendment by blending 10 to 20% into your potting soil or garden beds. This instantly introduces a diverse community of beneficial microbes, jump-starting the natural nutrient cycle. Best of all, worm castings are gentle and safe for all plants, so they won't burn sensitive roots or young seedlings. For established plants, use castings as a top dressing. Sprinkle a handful around the base, gently scratch them into the top inch of soil, and water immediately to help the microbes move down into the root zone. You can also use them to make a rich worm tea for a powerful foliar spray for your leaves. In summary, vermicomposting is sustainable, reduces waste, and leads to incredible growth with stronger plants and bigger harvests. It repairs and builds long-term soil health naturally. So start your worm bin today. Subscribe for more soil secrets, share your tips in the comments, and happy composting. Turn your waste into your garden's greatest asset. In summary, vermicomposting is sustainable, reduces waste, and leads to incredible growth with stronger plants and bigger harvests. It repairs and builds long-term soil health naturally. So start your worm bin today. Subscribe for more soil secrets, share your tips in the comments, and happy composting. Turn your waste into your garden's greatest asset.